The High Desert is a regional powerhouse of 5 incorporated communities located along Interstate 15 in California's Inland Empire, located midway between Los Angeles and Las Vegas. The High Desert communities of Adelanto, Apple Valley, Barstow, Hesperia, and Victorville, along with nearby unincorporated areas, are located through the Cajon Pass, approximately 40 miles from Rancho Cucamonga. The High Desert encompasses a trade area that extends well beyond each city's limits, reaching almost 440,000 people. A retail potential of $4.5 billion defines the High Desert's strength as a regional consumer market. As a logistics and manufacturing location, the High Desert provides an excellent transportation grid serving regional and national markets, offering access to air, rail, and key Southern California transportation corridors. In addition to affordable available land and a strong local workforce, businesses in the region also find lower operating costs than elsewhere in California. Hesperia, located at the top of the Cajon Pass, is a retail gold mine with 17 miles of Interstate 15 frontage and daily traffic counts over 200,000. Aside from its strategic location and cost-effective land prices, Hesperia's pro-business attitude goes a long way in welcoming new business.
In our development services group, we have what we believe is a pretty neat cliche that's called we believe in entitlements rather than entanglements. And that basically means all the way from our engineering, planning, fire groups, they are out to try to find the quickest way to get business here and open.
With ample commercial and industrial zoned properties available, including a rail spur, Hesperia is ideal for distribution, manufacturing, and commercial enterprises, and has invested an enormous amount of funds in infrastructure for business attraction.
We put in over $8 million in a lead track to try to encourage users that need the rail to locate up here in the High Desert. We have also put in a brand new interchange at Ranchero Road. We've done undercrossings at the BNSF rail, and currently we're working on putting together the balance of the infrastructure at I-15 and Ranchero, which basically at this point includes the water and the sewer.
The city of Victorville has transformed into a retail destination due to its central location and proximity to over 400,000 people. Victorville has experienced recent growth of new and expanding business due in part to its business-friendly environment.
We take an approach where we're trying to really understand the business. What are their needs? What are their location needs? What does it take to help them operate efficiently? What are their real estate needs? Would they perhaps benefit from the municipal utility services we offer? So we try to understand what they're looking for and then be able to tell them what we have to offer that helps meet their requirements.
Home to the Southern California Logistics Airport, Victorville continues to attract distribution and manufacturing.
As an airport and as a city, we focus on the development of the aviation side of SCLA. That includes attracting anyone that can benefit from the amenities such as our runways, our functioning airport, our foreign trade zone, and our U.S. Customs on site.
The city of Adelanto is experiencing an abundance of business activity. Located in the western portion of the High Desert, Adelanto has a growing population of over 34,000 residents, encompassing approximately 52 square miles. With new dynamic planning initiatives and progressive leadership, the city is looking to capitalize in all areas of development.
What Mayor Rich Kerr and the council have done is disrupted the bureaucratic status quo by embracing the private sector philosophy. And they've done that by amending and revising their policies, procedures, development codes, and ordinances to make them more business-friendly and enticing to the private sector. We have a tremendous amount of land opportunities for investors. We have a major artery that travels to the center of the city, Highway 395, with over 30,000 vehicles traveling through the center or to the city of Adelanto on a daily basis.
With a $483 million expansion slated for U.S. Highway 395, this transportation corridor, critical to logistics, is set to become a leading regional retail corridor. Home to 2.6 million square feet of industrial inventory, Apple Valley provides a proven and cost-competitive alternative to the Inland Empire along Interstate 15.
We have the Big Lots Distribution Center coming online. That's a $115 million capital project. It will generate 400 to 500 full-time jobs on 106 acres. And we believe that project will help us tell the story that Apple Valley and the high desert as a whole is ripe for industrial attraction.
With an estimated 81,000 people, Apple Valley remains attractive for retail and hotel development.
We have two retail projects that we're really excited about. The first is Apple Valley Gateway Center, a 10-acre, fully entitled retail project at the north end of town. They're working through site design now, and they're already beginning to attract tenants, both retail and restaurants, and they actually have a hotel pad as well.
We're a business-friendly community. We are all about business. Our town council members and our chamber members and our leaders really listen to the issues that people have, that business owners have, and they want to fix them genuinely. They genuinely care.
The city of Barstow is located at the crossroads of three major highways. Interstates 15 and 40 and Highway 58 converge in the city, comprising a major transportation corridor.
We are part of the Alameda Corridor from the ports of Los Angeles that with BNSF and UP that travel all across the country to the East Coast with all goods coming in from the LA ports.
Serving more than 60 million travelers and 19 million vehicles each year, Barstow is a prime location for retail development opportunities, such as the shops at Spanish Trail, currently in development.
It's going to be mixed-use zoned area for office space, hotels, entertainment, retail, and restaurant.